goddamn heat wave. It's been 2 weeks of what's starting to feel like an endless summer. I had a 5-star rating last week. Now the AC's toast. It's pissing me off and it's pissing my customers off. Thank God I still have my music.
Hey, you got Don't Stop Believing?
No, I'm sorry, the radio's broken.
You know, actually, you can just let me out up here.
What? You have like 2 more miles left.
That's fine. Here's fine.
They called it a gig job. Money for wine, not bills. First I wasn't good enough to teach 8th graders English. And now I'm not good enough for drunks. No tip. Probably a bad review. Great start. Who's next? So, how's your day been?
Pretty good. Could we get some music?
Sorry, the radio's busted.
That's a shame.
What type of music are you into?
A little bit of everything, I guess.
Like?
Classic rock.
Okay. Like ABBA?
Sure.
Sorry. I've been driving around a lot. I used to be a teacher, but, I don't get much social interaction anymore. Besides the fairs. It's kind of like Paul and Nick's, single-serving friends. What are you up to tonight?
Uh-huh.
A week ago, this would have been flirting. But now, I'm reduced to background noise. I come to them, I offer them a ride, a helping hand, but they're always attached to a cellular umbilical cord. We used to look at each other. Now we look at photos of strangers.
Yo.
Hey. Timberline and Prospect?
You know it, babe. God, it is hot in here. Yeah, you know I can do 100 push-ups.
And why does that matter?
Hey, how about we go grab your swimsuit and head to the beach?
Out.
But baby,
Get out!
you don't know what you're missing out on. I can do 300 push-ups. Who can do 300 push-ups?
Motherfucker, treating me like I'm nothing. I'm doing these people a goddamn favor and they can't even treat me like I'm human. This is my time, my gas, my car, but they just see me as a commodity. I'm not a robot. I'm not a slave. I'm the person willing to take them where they need to go. Why don't they see what I'm doing for them?
Ungrateful assholes. They're clearly incapable of doing this on their own. But do they give a damn about the person who does the fucking chore for them? No, of course not. They think they're so important. They wouldn't last one fucking day without me doing their goddamn bidding.
Okay, yeah. Could you pull over, please? I just want to get out.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
No, it's fine. Can you please let me out? I just pull over, please. Thanks.
Greetings, ma'am. You have a ride for a tired salesman?
Yeah, climb on in.
Much obliged. How's your day? Do you like history? I've got ancient artifacts, the likes of which you've never seen. Real pieces of one-of-a-kind rare history. Have a look.
Yeah, I just need to know where.
This right here, genuine 20th century data recorders. You can't find these things anymore anywhere. A wonderful steal of a deal at any price.
Those are VHS tapes.
Oh, a connoisseur. I can see you know what you're talking about. Well, very impressive, ma'am.
That shit isn't even 20 years old. My parents have 100 of those around the house.
I'm sure they do. Let's say, what year is it?
2018?
Shit. Looks like I might have missed.
Look, don't. I've had a shit day to top off a shit month. I try to teach people's kids, but it turns out I'm shit at that too. My AC's broke, and so's my radio, and now I got a fucking lunatic in my backseat.
Okay, tell you what. This one's on the house. I understand. How about this, then? You drop me by Rest Haven Cemetery, and I'll just have a chance to say goodbye to a friend who mattered.
Sure. Okay.
Much obliged, ma'am. Made my day. 2018. This is perfect right here. Much obliged, ma'am. Much obliged, and you have a fine day.